So in this video, you'll be learning about the Windows 11 latest features update for 25H2, right? So once you finish installing, updating your Windows operating system, you're going to see this pop-up that says your Windows update is complete. See 5 of the latest features. So let's explore what these features is all about. So let's click next. So this one is battery status always in sight. With the updated battery percentage settings, your PC power level is always visible right where you need it. No digging through menus and likes. So if you turn it on now, so it's going to say allow Microsoft to do this. Then you click on open, right? So once you click on open, it's going to bring you to this power and battery settings. So once you're here, right, you just have to turn on this display battery settings on taskbar, which is what you see here, 100%. As you can see, I have my battery at 100%. So if I turn it off, then you will see the percentage here. So I'm going to turn it off now. So that's one of the features. Then next, let's look at elevate your desktop aesthetic. You can change your desktop background, right? If you click it, then you click on open again, then it takes us to the background settings, where we can actually personalize our background to picture or window spotlight. So if I click on picture here, right, these are the recent images on my system that I can use for my background, right? But I can also browse photos on my system, right? That takes me to my directory, right? So once I click on pictures, or let me come to downloads, I think I have let me use this, right? So once I select that, you see that automatically I have a desktop background for this one. And if I want to change it, I can come here and click either solid color, slideshow, or Windows spotlight. So let's see how that looks in a browser. Right, so once I close this, I'm going to press on Windows D, and this is the background that I just applied, right? So let's explore the next features, which is meet the new emoji icons, right? The emoji 16.0 release introduces new thoughtfully curated emoji, allowing you to express yourself in fun and meaningful way on Windows from everyday moments, like you're typing and you want to apply emoji to whatever you're doing. So you can add emoji to your taskbar, right? Here is your taskbar. So all these icons you're seeing below your screen, that is what a taskbar is. So if I click on open, right, so I'll have to set this, right, to be showing. Here it is, emoji and more. So I can say white typing or always, right? So let me set it to always, right? And if you actually want to even access this emoji, there is a way you can do that, and that is by pressing the Windows plus dot key, right? Windows plus period or Windows plus full stop. Then it's going to show you this emoji which you can apply, right? In fact, it has GIF, right? Just press on Windows period, then you can also access this. So let's look at another feature, which is spin your imagination in any direction. Freeform rotating paint, right? We all know paint. So if I click on start creating now, paint is one of the tools built into Windows, and you see here, so this is what it's talking about. And it gives you freedom to twist, right? I have my corner point here, like something such as this, right? So you can explore this on your own. I'm going to close this paint now. I'm not saving this document. So let's look at the 5th features, right? And as you can see, you see that my Windows 11 PC has been updated to what, 25H2, though it's not specifying 25H2 here. And this is one of the way you can actually know the update. So I'm going to press on properties. So once I come to system properties, then I'm going to scroll down to, so here you just scroll down to the version, and here you can see 25H2, right? 25H2. So that is the system update. The new update should be available by now, and we can check that by going to, I'm going to search for update. So you can also do the same. So once you search for update and you click on check update, it's going to bring you to the Windows update. Now you said I'm up to date, but I can still check for update. Just think, or I turn this on so that I release, I'll be one of the first to get update, right? All right, let's move on. So the last update here is start menu built around you. The revamped start menu puts your favorite apps front and center with smarter organization. Easily find, launch, and customize your workspace to match your style and needs. So press Windows key and explore new experience. Now, if I click press on Windows key now, this is how it's showing for now on my PC, right? It's just the accessibility window, right? So these are the 5 updates that's been released into 25H2. So if you like this video, please subscribe so that you will receive notifications when new updates are being released. All right, thank you for watching.